Are you tired of Jira tasks missing a start date, making it impossible to track when work actually began? Here is how to add one in seconds. We will open your Jira project, select a task, find the Details section, and set the start date. Let us dive in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. You will land on your dashboard, and this is where everything begins. Next, open your Jira project from the left side panel. You will see that panel running down the left side of your screen with all your projects listed. Just click on the one you are working on. In my experience, this is where people sometimes get lost if they have a lot of projects, so just take a second to find the right one. It will open up showing you all the tasks in that project. Now, click on the task you want to add a start date to. This part is pretty straightforward. Just find the task in the list and click on it. It does not matter if it is a bug, a feature, or a simple to-do. The process is exactly the same for any task type. So now the task is open. Go ahead and scroll down to locate the Details section. You might have to scroll a fair bit, especially if the task has a long description or a lot of comments. But you are looking for a section that is usually labeled Details. It is in the right-hand pane. And here is the really important part. If you do not see it right away, just keep scrolling down. It is there. I have tested this across different Jira setups, and it is almost always in the same spot. In the Details section, find the Start Date field. Click on it, and a little calendar will pop up. Just pick the date you want. It is as simple as clicking the right day on the calendar. If your task started yesterday, click Yesterday. If it started last week, just scroll the calendar back and click that day. It is very intuitive. All right, now you want to confirm the date is saved correctly. Once you click the date, it should save automatically. You will see the date appear right there in the field. Double-check that it is the date you intended. In my experience, Jira saves changes immediately, so there is no separate save button to hunt for. That is a nice time saver. You can repeat this for any other tasks. If you have a whole backlog of work that started on different days, you can go through and set each one. It takes just a few seconds per task. Once you get into the rhythm, you will be able to do this very quickly. Finally, verify the start date appears on your board. Go back to your project board view. You should now see the start date showing on each card. This is huge for planning, because now you can actually see at a glance when work kicked off. You are no longer guessing or digging into the task details to find out. And that is it. You have gone from not being able to track start dates to easily adding them and seeing them across your whole project. Now you can plan your timelines with real data instead of guesswork. Thanks for watching.